The original gripper is an incredibly advanced push block, but would you believe it could get even more advanced? Seems unbelievable, but believe it. What makes the GR-200 so advanced? Thought you'd never ask. It's the same as the original model, but it includes 2 additional accessories for more functionality, safety, and control. No other push block delivers this level of safety and versatility. It gives you 3 directions of control to prevent kickback and protect your hands from spinning blades. The powerful green grip on its adjustable legs controls your workpiece on both sides of the blade, giving you clean, effortless cuts. The adjustable spacer gives you more control by adding an extra inch of green grip to your gripper, and an extra inch of ripping capacity. Use it on the joiner for more traction when face joining. You can also use it on the bandsaw for better traction and a more comfortable grip when resawing material. Use it on the router table to protect your hands from exposed bits, or for better control when freehand routing. Next up, we have the stabilizing plate. The stabilizing plate gives you another point of contact to better stabilize your material. It acts like a dynamic featherboard, keeping the material parallel to the blade without applying unnecessary pressure into the blade. It also features a hook to help push small parts through the cut. That means more control and less burning and blade marks. If you have the original gripper and you want to get more advanced, I have good news for you. We offer an upgrade kit to turn your GR100 into a GR200 without having to buy the whole kit and caboodle. You're welcome. Work safer, work smarter.